Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Discord on your Mac. It's actually a very simple process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Search for Discord. You'll then want to click on the top link. Alternatively, you can always click the link in the description below this video. This will take you to the Discord homepage. To download Discord, simply scroll down. The website should automatically detect that you're on a Mac. Click on Download for Mac. Now, save the installer to your Mac. I'm going to save it to my desktop for easy access. Now, keep in mind, you will need a Discord account to use Discord. To create one, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Discord website. In the footer, click on the Sign Up button. On the Sign Up page, just enter your information and follow the step-by-step process to sign up for a Discord account. Alright, once you've signed up for your Discord account and downloaded the installer, go ahead and open it up. You should see a pop-up menu that looks like this. All you need to do is drag and drop the Discord icon into your Applications folder. As you can see, I've already got Discord installed, so I'm going to click on Replace. However, yours should automatically install to the Applications folder. Once you've done this, you can exit out of the pop-up menu and you can delete the Discord installer. With the installer deleted, go ahead and open up the Discord application. It might prompt you to confirm that you want to open the application. Just click on Open. Discord will then do a few application updates. Once those are completed, it should open up on your Mac and you'll be greeted with a login screen. All you need to do is go ahead and log in with the information you created earlier. And then you can start successfully using Discord, just as you normally would. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.